Heyo, ignore my voice. I know I sound terrible, but I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to use alight motion, or the basics of it. So what you want to do is, this is how it's laid out. This is the main screen. It shows the updates and stuff, or says welcome to, well, when you first get it, it's going to say welcome to alight motion, and then as it updates, it shows the updates and stuff. But here are the tutorials they give you. They are terrible. They literally don't help at all. But I hope this helps you a little bit. And then the next option is the plus, which is how you do your project. And then these are your projects, the videos that you make. And then these are the elements. You can get codes that I give out. You can save them to alight motion and save them to your elements, so you can use them in your videos. So what you want to do when you get in here, you're going to press this little button, the plus button. Sorry I don't have like a mouse or anything to show you. I don't have an iPhone, and I can't download any because none of them really work for me. So you're just going to have to deal with what I got. I'll try to find something out like that later on. I tried the other day and it didn't really work. But what you want to do is, I have mine on the 1 and 1, which is just a normal square. And I usually have mine on 60 frames per second, and then my background black. You can choose any background, transparent, white, black, gray. I usually have mine black because it's just, I like black. So you're going to click create project, and you can name your project. I'm just going to name mine help with the heart because I don't know what else to name it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to press that button. You have shapes, or your shapes and stuff. And then you click image and video, and you have your images and stuff. And then you have audios. I don't have any because I get mine from TikTok. And then you have your elements over here. And then on the sides, you have freehand drawing, vector drawing, and then your text stuff that you can add, like add your watermark or text to a song. Also, sorry if you hear background noise. My sister is being crazy right now.
Thank you.
So what you want to do is you're going to click image and video and view all. I get mine from screenshots. Ignore that first one. I was trying something out. And then you want to get your image. I'm just going to use Katrina because why not? And then you can cut it if you want to. But when it pops up, you're going to have this screen. So the first button, this button, I don't really know what it does. Don't touch it because I don't touch it. Unless you want to experiment with it, you can. It doesn't matter to me. But the first one right here, cuts it like that. Oh crap, I just accidentally did that. Alright, well, Katrina, get back here. The second one, or the middle one, cuts it down the middle like that. And then the third one just cuts it like that. So you can, those are how you cut them. And then this is this, crap, did not mean to touch that. But this is the sound. You're not going to have sound on pictures, obviously, but audios and stuff, you can up it, down it, anything you want to do with it. But yeah, and then you have color and fill, which is you can click and change the picture if you want to, like for present basis, that's how you change the picture. And then border and shadow, I don't really use this that much. It doesn't affect me that much though. And then blending and opacity, you can do that, make it lighter, darker. You can add a keyframe, do blinking, stuff like that. That's sometimes how I do my blinks. Sometimes I use the actual blinking thing. It's up to you on how you want to do it. That's how I did it before I found out there was a blinking option. But there's all these there's filters I don't use. So yeah, you have those filters. These keyframes came back. And then this mask, you can put shapes and mask it and stuff. But the thing and then there's edit points. I don't really use that much. I haven't figured out what it was. But the things you want the most are the effects and then the move and transition. These are how you're gonna add your transitions. So you're gonna add your pictures. I've only added one so far. But you're gonna add, I don't want that. You're gonna add your pictures and cut them to how long you want. I'm just doing 1 second per each because it's easier, for me, at least. So, what you're gonna do, I'm just gonna go over a few basic ones. So, yeah. So first we're gonna do just straight up moving one. You can go like that. Just go straight like that, and that red line is telling you that it's centered. And then when it's the first one, you want to click the down one and then just pull it down. Or you can go like this. Sometimes I do both. And then there's the first part of it. And then you go on your second picture, one at the beginning, one at the end, and then that's the wrong one. Alrighty, I clicked the wrong one. And then you want to do one at the beginning and then one at the end, and then do the same thing. And then you want to click the up one like that. And then you have transition. And if you want to add shakes and stuff, you can make your own shakes. I get mine from somebody's code that they put out. I use this one. So if you want to copy, how you can use my codes is you save it to your element and then you click unlink and edit, and then it gives you this, and then you click on the elements. I usually like to add motion blur because it makes my stuff smoother, but then you click the 3 dots and then click copy effects, and then you can delete that, and then you can delete it, or you can add it to whatever you want. So you click on the first picture, click paste effects, and that puts it on there, and then you do the same thing for the second one, and it does that. So it makes it 10 times better, or it makes it smoother and stuff. So the second transition we're gonna do, let me find another picture. I'll do another Katrina picture because why not? But I'm just gonna add the shakes on there again. But the second one we're gonna do is a spin transition. So you're gonna go back on that on that second picture from the first transition, and then add the keyframes, and then move it to 90 degrees, and then do that. So this is what you have. And there's that. And then you're gonna go on the second one again, and then sorry if you see that it's going through the other keyframes that from the other effects. And then you're gonna go up. This is what you have. Oh crap, I did that wrong, didn't I? Yep, I so did that wrong. Sometimes I do that. But you get what I mean, like the first one. I do that sometimes. I get too up in my head. So that's what you got so far. Ignore the other stuff, the mess up. Just follow what I just did. So the next one, I'm going to add another picture. Let's do Sam, because why not? I'm gonna cut that one and then add the effects. So you're gonna go on this picture again, the third one, and then you're gonna click the zoom in, zoom out, and go like that. And on the zoom in, zoom out, if you click the little thing in the middle, it splits it. You can zoom it like that, or you can zoom it up and down. But for right now, we're not, so keep it linked together and zoom out, or you can zoom in. I'm doing zooming out because I like it better. But if you do zoom in, it's the same way. You just zoom in, and then for this one, you can zoom in and go out. You can go like that, or you can go like this. Zoom out. It makes it all weird whenever there's tiles, or you can zoom out. So this is what you have after you do all that. So that's what you have, and then there's 1 or 2 more transitions, and then if you guys want me to, I can make a sort of part 2 on the effects, on the more like intense ones like cube, but the cube you have to have the paid subscription or the pro, whatever you want to call it. You have to have that for the cube, but I can do the free ones like the star and stuff like that. I know I can add, or I can make like a code pack for you guys with free transitions that you can use, and you guys can use that. But the last 1 or 2 transitions are the last transitions are the very bottom one. So whenever it has tiles on, or you're going to want to go on this one again because it doesn't have a transition between. But the last one you want to go on, you want to add your keyframes. The tiles makes it all weird, so you can zoom in if you would like to, but I don't, because if you go side to side, it does that weird thing, but it looks kind of cool. So you're going to go whatever side you want, and then do your graph, and then do the same thing, but the opposite side on here. Like that. This is what you have. So that's what you have so far, and the last transition is that only going down. And on the other stuff, like the moving one, you can go whatever way you want to go. Like you can go up, down, side, whatever you want to do. But here's the last one. The bottom one goes up and down. The top one goes side to side. So you're just going to go like that. Yeah. Well, you're going to go on the first one, the first picture. And then you have your keyframes. So if you do both in a row, you're going to want to add this, or you're going to want to add another keyframe, and then go like this, and then go up or down. I'm going down. So I'm going to go like that. I did the wrong thing on this one. I'm messing this up so much. Crap, wrong thing. Ignore this crap that's going on right now. But, ignore me. I'm tired. It's really late. It's like 2:30 in the morning because, I don't sleep. And I know I haven't posted in a few days, so I decided to finally do this because I've been telling people I would do it, and I've been pushing it off because I've been busy editing and stuff. So yeah, here's this. Finally, I'm gonna put it out. It's 2:30 in the morning on June 11th. Yeah, June 11th. So I'll probably put this out later today or something. I don't know.
Once you wake up.
Like once I wake up or something. Yeah.
So by the time that's posted, you'll be awake.
Yeah, so people can ask questions. But here is this. This is what you get whenever you put all that stuff together. Did I forget? if you split it, you have to add an extra graph. I forgot about that. Sorry it's a little rough. I'll probably make another one like this to show you how to do it better, and it'll be to where I'm not super tired. But I'll make a part 2 on like the effects and stuff, like the rotating sphere thing with this top one. I'll probably do a displacement map. Those ones you all have to have the pro, but I'll do pinch and bulge, swirl, tile shift, stuff like that. And I'll do these, like I'll probably do another star one, and then I'll do a cube. I'll probably show you how to do a few shakes. These ones I don't really use, but I can figure them out and show you how. But yeah, that's all. I will, like I said, or not like I said, but I post on TikTok, so if you found this just randomly scrolling through YouTube, which you probably didn't because, you know, I don't have many followers or subscribers, whatever you want to call them. I'm used to TikTok, so I said followers. But if you just found this randomly scrolling on YouTube, I have a TikTok account that you can go follow
in the description.
Yeah, and this is for alight motion. So if this helped anybody, please comment. And yeah, I'll see you guys later tomorrow. I might post again a few codes for you guys for just to have. Okay, see ya.